Hello everyone. Today we're sharing a comprehensive 9-step guide for beginners, detailing all the necessary do's and don'ts before starting a workout routine at the gym. Let's get started. Number 1 is planning. Planning is an essential step in any fitness journey. Before you begin any workout routine, it's important to understand your current fitness level and set realistic goals that are achievable and sustainable. One way to do this is by starting with a comprehensive fitness assessment. A fitness assessment typically includes measurements of your body composition, such as body fat percentage, muscular endurance, cardiovascular fitness, and flexibility. Once you have a clear understanding of your current fitness level, you can use this information to set goals that are tailored to your specific needs and abilities. For example, if you're new to exercise, you might set a goal to improve your cardiovascular fitness or to lose a certain amount of body fat. If you're more experienced, you may set a goal to increase your muscular strength or to run a certain distance. Don't, however, make the mistake of jumping straight into intense workout routines without proper guidance and preparation, as this can be dangerous. Intense workouts can put a lot of stress on your body, and without proper guidance, you may not be using the proper form or targeting the right muscles. This can lead to injury and burnout. It's important to work with a qualified personal trainer or fitness professional who can provide guidance and support to help you reach your goals safely and effectively. Number 2 is technique. Proper form and technique refer to the correct way of performing a specific exercise. This includes the correct posture, alignment, and movement patterns that are specific to that exercise. For example, when performing a squat, proper form would include keeping the back straight, the chest up, and the knees aligned over the toes. Learning proper form and technique is important because it helps to prevent injuries. When you use the correct form, you are using the right muscle groups and placing the least amount of stress on your joints. This can help to prevent muscle strains, sprains, and other types of injuries. Don't, on the other hand, use too much weight or performing exercises with poor form, which can lead to injury. When you use too much weight, you may not be able to control the movement properly, which can lead to improper form and an increased risk of injury. Also, if you perform an exercise with poor form, you may be placing unnecessary stress on certain joints and muscle groups, which can also lead to injury. To avoid injury, it is important to learn the proper form and technique for each exercise you perform and to use the appropriate amount of weight. This will help to ensure that you are getting the most out of your workout while also reducing the risk of injury. We have many videos on the current form for executing such exercises correctly, and you will find them listed in our description below. Number 3 is variations. Incorporating a variety of exercises into your workout routine is important for overall fitness and health. This may include cardio exercises such as running or cycling, which help to improve cardiovascular health and endurance. Strength training exercises such as weightlifting or bodyweight exercises can help to build muscle and improve overall health. The don'ts are that a lot of regular gym goers neglect stretching and flexibility, which can lead to muscle imbalances and injury when certain muscle groups are overworked and tight while others are underused and weak. This can lead to muscle imbalances. These imbalances can then lead to injuries such as strains or sprains, as the body is not able to move and function as efficiently as it should. By including stretching and flexibility exercises in your workout routine, you can help to prevent those fatal injuries that can last for years, causing you constant trauma. Number 4 is pacing up. Pacing up refers to the gradual increase of the intensity and difficulty of your workout as your fitness level improves. It is a great way to make steady progress and achieve your fitness goals without putting your body at risk. This approach allows you to gradually build your stamina, strength and endurance without pushing yourself too hard too soon. The do's are to pace up your workout. Start with a moderate intensity level and gradually increase the intensity over time. This can be done by increasing the weight you are lifting, the speed of your runs, or the length of your workout sessions in a refined manner, moving from one step to the other gradually. As you progress, you can also add new exercises or training methods to your routine to continue challenging your body. The don'ts are: it is important to remember that pushing yourself too hard too soon can lead to burnout and injury. You should always listen to your body and give it time to adjust to the increased intensity. If you feel pain or discomfort, slow down and take a break. It is better to take your time and progress slowly than to push yourself too hard and risk injury. Number 5 is clothes. When participating in any type of physical activity, it is important to wear appropriate clothing and footwear. Proper workout attire includes clothing that is comfortable and allows for a full range of motion, as well as shoes that are supportive and provide proper cushioning. This will help to prevent injuries and ensure that you are able to perform at your best. The don'ts are to avoid wearing clothing that is too tight or restrictive. Tight clothing can impede your range of motion and make it difficult to perform certain exercises. Additionally, restrictive clothing can cause discomfort and lead to injuries. It is best to choose clothing that is loose-fitting and allows for easy movement. Number 6 is hydration. Drinking water before, during and after your workout is crucial for maintaining optimal hydration levels and improving your performance. When you are well hydrated, your body is able to function at its best and you will be able to perform at a higher level. During burnout, it is important to continue to drink water in order to replenish the fluids lost through sweating. This will help to keep your body cool, prevent fatigue, and maintain your energy levels. Moreover, it will also help to speed up recovery and prevent excessive soreness and fatigue. Don't consume sugary or processed beverages before or during your workout, as these can elevate your sugar levels and dehydrate you and impede your performance. Instead, stick to water or a sports drink specially formulated to replenish electrolytes and hydrate your body during physical activity. Remember, staying hydrated is crucial for optimal performance and overall health, so make sure to drink enough water before, during and after your workout. Number 7 is recovery. While doing gym-based workouts, recovery is a crucial factor. To recover properly, it's important to get enough sleep, eat a balanced diet, and stretch or foam roll to release muscle tension. If you experience pain or discomfort that does not improve with rest, it is also essential to consult with a healthcare professional for guidance. Also, when you're on rest days, make sure to have an active rest day, which means that having a mild physical movement like walking or swimming on the rest day will not let your body feel excessive soreness. Don't, on the other hand, push through pain or discomfort, skimping on sleep or nutrition, neglecting stretching or foam rolling, and delay in seeking professional help if you experience pain or discomfort are all things that you should avoid. It's important to remember that proper recovery is about taking care of your body, and if you don't, it could lead to more serious problems in the future. Number 8 is motivation. Motivation is a key aspect of achieving any fitness goal. It is a driving force that keeps you going when things get tough and helps you push through challenges. When you are motivated, you are more likely to stick to your fitness plan and see progress. One way to stay motivated is to focus on the fun and enjoyment of the process. Instead of viewing exercise as a chore, try to find ways to make it enjoyable. This could include finding a workout buddy, joining a class, or incorporating activities that you enjoy into your routine. When you are having fun, you are more likely to stick with it and see progress. Focus on your goals and make sure you celebrate small wins and use them as motivation to keep going. Don't, on the other hand, avoid comparing yourself to others in the gym. Everyone is on their own journey and has their own unique goals and challenges. Comparing yourself to others can lead to feelings of inadequate and can be demotivating. Instead, remember that progress takes time and consistency. and it is important to be patient with yourself. Number 9 is sleep. Sleep is very important in gym-based workouts because all the recovery happens when you fall asleep, making your body an anabolic recovery station for all muscles. So make sure to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. Help your body recover and repair from your workout, and try to go to bed and wake up at the same time each day to establish a consistent sleep schedule. Moreover, make your sleeping environment comfortable by keeping it cool, dark and quiet so you can heal your body to its fullest. On the other hand, don't consume caffeine in heavy meals close to bedtime, and avoid exercising right before bed, as it can make it harder to fall asleep. That's it for today's video. Hope you found it helpful. We welcome any suggestions you may have. Check out our exclusive workout playlists that is sure to help you in your transition journey.